Samsung is back with its most ambitious tablet ever, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, and the big question is, could this actually be the most powerful tablet of 2025? With a rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip, up to 18 gigabytes of RAM, a stunning next-gen AMOLED display, and an S Pen that feels more like a pro-level tool than a stylus, Samsung is aiming to completely redefine what a tablet can do. Add in DeX mode, AI-powered software, and a massive 11,000 mAh battery, and suddenly this isn't just a tablet, it's a laptop replacement in disguise. But how does it stack up against Apple's upcoming iPad Pro M4 and Microsoft's new Surface devices? Today, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, its surprising upgrades, and whether it really deserves the title of the most powerful tablet of 2025. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The tablet industry has always been defined by fierce competition between Apple and Samsung. Year after year, these two tech giants push each other to new heights, constantly battling for dominance in performance, display technology, and productivity features. In 2025, Samsung has once again entered the spotlight with its most ambitious tablet yet, the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. But the big question on everyone's mind is this: could the Tab S11 Ultra actually be the most powerful tablet of 2025? Samsung has never been afraid of bold moves when it comes to its Ultra lineup. The Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, released in 2023, set a new standard for premium tablets with its massive 14.6-inch AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset, and premium multitasking features. It wasn't just a tablet, it was a portable workstation designed to take on Apple's iPad Pro head-to-head. Now, 2 years later, the Tab S11 Ultra is rumored to raise the stakes even higher, combining bleeding-edge hardware, futuristic display tech, and software designed to blur the line between tablet and laptop. At the heart of the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra lies what many leaks suggest will be the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 for Galaxy processor. Qualcomm's Gen 4 series has already been praised for its next-level AI integration, raw processing power, and energy efficiency, and with Samsung's special optimizations, this could make the S11 Ultra the fastest Android tablet ever produced. Pair that with rumored up to 16 gigabytes or even 18 gigabytes of RAM and storage options reaching 1 terabyte, and suddenly, this tablet isn't just competing with other tablets, it's entering the territory of high-end laptops. But raw performance is only part of the story. Samsung's display technology has always been one of its strongest weapons, and the Tab S11 Ultra could be the company's showcase piece for its most advanced AMOLED or possibly hybrid OLED micro-LED technology. Imagine a 14.6-inch screen with 3K resolution, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and peak brightness levels that make working outdoors effortless. For artists, designers, and content creators, this display could be nothing short of breathtaking. Combined with the next-gen S Pen rumored to have improved latency and advanced pressure sensitivity, the Tab S11 Ultra could become the most versatile digital canvas on the market. Battery life has always been a key concern for such large tablets, and Samsung seems prepared to address this with an 11,000 mAh battery, potentially offering multi-day usage